Let's be real. Starting a business is tough. The idea comes easily, but most people, the capital is the mountain. Most dreams die not because they are bad, or maybe they have bad ideas, but because the founder couldn't find a way to find them. But here's the truth. Here's the truth that nobody tells you. You don't always need an investor. You don't always need a loan. Sometimes the fastest way to find your business or maybe your dreams is to sell a skill that nobody or anyone will think about, a skill that people will pay for today. So here are 10 freelance skills that can find your business and your dreams. But before we continue, I just want to say I'm not a financial advisor. If you seek one, please make sure that you find someone who is registered with the FSCA. Without wasting any time, let's get straight to business. Number one, copyright. It's a word that sells. So every business needs words that move people to buy. If you master copywriting, you can write ads, you can write sales page, and also you can write emails and get paid handsomely. Copywriters are some of the highest paid freelancers online. You can disagree to agree with this one, but I'm telling you right now, copywriters are literally making a lot of money in the online space. Number two, graphic design. For those who doesn't know what is a graphic design is a visual storytelling. So we're speaking about logos, we're speaking about flyers, we're speaking about social media posts. So every business craves designs. If you can tell a story through visuals, your phone can become a money machine. For example, thumbnails. Thumbnails are part of graphic design. So if you are really good at them, make sure that you capitalize on it. But if you are looking someone who is very good when it comes to graphic design, you can hit me up on Instagram. Please make sure that you hit me up if you need some great logos, flyers, and also social media platforms posts. Then number three, social media management. All you have to do is to manage the attention that comes through the social media. So businesses are too busy to post daily. That's where you come in. If you can grow pages, engage audiences, and manage campaigns, you can turn it into a steady income stream. If you want me to show you step-by-step guide on how to become a social media manager, please make sure that you comment down below so that I can be able to make a specific video whereby I'm explaining step by step how to do it. I've been doing this for almost 4 years right now. If you know the Hustle Club, I'm the one who is managing it, and I'm teaching other people how to be able to manage social media platforms and code them and engage with their audience and call and make sure that they get the campaigns and work well with the campaigns when it comes to social media management. On number four, we have video editing. All you have to do is to turn a raw footage into gold. So videos are the new king in this industry because majority of the people or businesses are going online and they are creating content. So from YouTube creators to small businesses, everyone needs an editor. If you can make a video crisp, engaging, and shareable, you will never go broke. Trust me, every single person wants to go social and make sure that they conquer when it comes to online media space. That's why you can come in and help them to create their videos and make them the gold. So guess what? You don't even need sophisticated or maybe a professional software or tools to do this. Just with CapCut, I'm literally using CapCut to also edit some other people's videos, and then you are good to go. CapCut is free, but you can also pay for a vision whereby they give you more options to be able to turn the raw footage into gold. On number three, we have content writing. There are three ways you can be able to do this kind of content. You have to do the inform one, you have to do the educate one, and also you have to do the entertaining one. You just have to pick one that you think that you are good at and make sure that you capitalize on it. So all you have to do is to do blog posts, you can do articles, you can do website content. If you can research and write clearly, business will pay you to feed their online presence, and also you can create it for your own benefit. You can create your own blog post whereby you're going to share whatever, or maybe you want to inform people of whatever that is happening online, or maybe that is happening around the world on whatsoever. All you have to do is to make sure that you open your own blog whereby you're going to post whatever. For example, let's say maybe you are more into celebrities content, whatever that they do, to inform people whatever that they do in their own lives. Whenever they post something, you inform people. You just have to open your own blog and write whatever. Let's say Casper verse is divorcing, you write whatever that comes with it. And also when it comes to education, what I'm currently doing right now is education, so you can write it down. But myself, I'm not good when it comes to writing, so I'm doing it in a video platform, which is YouTube. So when you want to do this kind of a content but you want to focus on writing, you can go to Facebook and do it. Facebook can allow you to do post, but then also if you want to do the video one, you can do it. But right now we are focusing on content writing, so you gotta have to do that. The previous video that I've posted, there's a section whereby I was speaking about how to make money online, and I spoke about Opera News. So you can use Opera News to also write content right there. So Opera News is going to pay you to writing articles. So the more the views you get on Opera News, the more money you can be able to make. Make sure that you watch that video. I will leave the link on the description below. Then on number 6, we have digital marketing. For those who doesn't understand what is a digital marketing, so in simple terms, digital marketing is selling online. So from running Facebook ads to email campaigns, digital marketers are in hot demand, mainly because majority of the, not even majority, every single person wanna go online and sell online, because when you sell online, you're selling around the world, but when you sell physical, you're selling around the area that you are in. So learn to generate leads for businesses and you will never run out of your clients. Number 7, we have web development. For those who doesn't understand what is a web development, is technical or maybe basically building a digital home. For those who doesn't still understand, I'm not speaking about a home as in like a house, but I'm speaking about a home of a business. For example, every brand need a website. A website is a home for a business. So if you can build fast, if you can do a clean website, you will always be booked, mainly because majority, like I said, majority of the businesses, like almost everyone wanna go to online. So online is whereby you can be able to find these jobs. So the best part is you can charge a premium fees. When I speak about a premium fees, I'm speaking about you can charge a lot of money when it comes to this, because not everyone is doing it, and you need to make sure that you capitalize on it. And also, even if you don't know how to do it, there are platforms whereby you can be able to prompt whatever that you want, and it's going to make you a website. If you want me to drop that video, make sure that you comment down below. I will show you exactly how to build a website in simple terms, and make sure that you don't capitalize your lot of time on it. You're just only going to spend around maybe 10 minutes to make sure that you come out with a clean website and sell it to the businesses. On number 8, we have UI or UX designs. For those who doesn't understand what I'm speaking about designing experiences, not just screens. So apps, websites, platforms, they all need intuitive designs. So if you can create a user-friendly experiences, startup, I'm telling you right now, big companies will fight for you. On number 9, we have visual assistance. For those who doesn't understand, it's a remote support. So what you're going to deal with, you're going to deal with emails, you're going to deal with scheduling their appointments, entrepreneurs appointments, and also doing the research. And again, you're also going to deal with customer service. So if you are organized and very reliable person, entrepreneurs will pay you to keep their lives and businesses running so smoothly. Remember, business people or maybe entrepreneurs, they don't want to go to emails, they also don't want to set up schedules, they don't want to do research, they also don't want to do customer service. That's where you come in. That's where you come in and make sure that their schedules are always on point, and make sure that you notify them in time where they have to supposed to be, and also to go through their own emails, because there's a lot of emails. Some emails are trash, so you just going to have to filter them and give them the important ones that they have to attend to them. So you're making their own lives very easily, so they are going to make sure that they hire you if you are well organized and very reliable when it comes to this sport. On number 10, we have translation and transcript. In simplest term, what you're going to do is to bridge in the gaps. So the world is global, the world is big, and there are multiple of languages that people are speaking around the world in certain areas. So businesses need documents translated and videos transcripted. So if you're good with languages, this is your ticket to global income. So businesses are going to look for people who can be able to speak multiple languages, so that they can understand the other people when they come into their own businesses, because not everyone knows English. Some people knows Portuguese only, some people knows other languages beside English. So what you have to do is to make sure that you know a lot of languages, so that whenever they hire you, you can be able to transcript or to translate whatever that they need at a certain amount of time. So right now we have came to the end of the video, but I want to leave you with some words. But before that, please make sure that you subscribe down below. Okay, you don't need, I want you to tell you this, you don't need millions to start your business. Sometimes you just need to sell a skill, stack your cash, and find your dream step by step. Many of today's founders started as freelancers. They turn their skills into capital and then their capital into business. Don't wait for an investor to believe in you. Believe in your own skills. Okay, now this is the last question that I want to leave you with. If you had to pick one skill from this list to start funding your dream, which one would it be? Comment down below so that we can help each other. I will see you on the next one.